Hello students, today I will be teaching evaluation of limits by L hospital rule. This is the first topic your lesson, differential calculus. Okay, so what is the use of this rule means generally we know how to calculate limit of any particular function. How do we calculate limit of the function means we substitute x tends to a means we replace x as a. Okay, and similarly g also. Suppose if the answer is 0, here also 0 and here also 0, then the expression f of x by g of x is said to assume indeterminate form 0 by 0. Numerator also you are getting 0, denominator also you are getting 0. Okay, as x tends to a. Okay, in this time to calculate limit of the function f of x by g of x, we use L hospital rule. Okay, so this is generally we get 0 by 0. Still different forms we having in indeterminate. They are infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 to the power of 0, 1 to the power of infinity, comma, at last infinity to the power of 0. These are different forms. Now we will see how to find the limit of the function when it reduces to this indeterminate forms. Okay, procedure I'll explain here. So let me explain the procedure. So the first step is verify the expression f of x by g of x takes any of the indeterminate form. Means either it is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Which form you have to check it first. Second point, suppose if it is 0 by 0, then by applying L hospital rule, what is that rule means? See, I have written here, differentiate f of x means numerator and denominator separately. Generally differentiate means how we will apply u by v. So don't do that. L hospital rule means numerator separately, denominator separately, you have to differentiate. Okay, after differentiation, again you verify indeterminate form. Means again apply limit. Again you check whether you are getting 0 by 0 or not. Suppose after differentiation, if f of x by g, f dash of x by g dash of x, again it is 0 by 0 after differentiation. Again you differentiate this one. Okay, f dash of x by g dash of x separately. Okay, then apply limit and continue this process until we get definite value. Okay, here differentiate f of means f dash of x and g dash of x until we get defined means like a 1, 2, 3, some value you have to get it rather than 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, so on. Okay, now we will see one example. Okay, the first question is evaluate limit x tends to 0, x minus sin x by x cube. Generally limit means what you will do? X place will replace it 0. Okay, first apply limit. Okay, apply limit. So how much you get? X equals to 0 if you substitute 0 minus sin 0 by 0 cube. What is that? 0 minus sin 0 value is 0. By 0 cube is that means 0 by 0 form. So which form we got it? 0 by 0 form means type 1, like a type 1, 0 by 0 form. Okay, to evaluate this limit, we will apply L hospital rule. So here we will write apply L hospital rule. Apply L hospital rule means what is the procedure? Limit x tends to 0, you have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. What is the x differentiation? 1 minus sin x differentiation is cos x divided by x cube differentiation is 3x square. Then this is L hospital rule. Now again you apply the limit. Again you have to verify for the indeterminate form. So apply limit 1 minus cos x means how much here? 0. Cos 0 by 3 into 0 square. That means 1 minus cos 0 is 1. By 3 into 0 square is 0. That means 0 by 0 form. So again after applying rule, again we are getting 0 by 0 form. Means again you have to apply same. So apply L hospital rule. Okay, means again differentiate limit x tends to 0. Differentiate now. One differentiation is 0 minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x by 3 into x square differentiation is 2x. Simplify this, minus into minus plus. So limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by 3 2s are 6x. Okay, done. Now apply limit. Okay, if you apply limit, sin 0 by 6 into 0. What is that? 0 by 0 form. Okay, so again you are getting 0 by 0 form again. So what you will do? Again apply L'Hospital rule. So what you will do? Differentiate. Limit x tends to 0. This is a function, no? So sin x differentiation is cos x divided by 6 into x differentiation is 1. Done. Differentiation is over. Now apply limit. Cos 0 by 6. That means 1 by 6. If you observe, 1 by 6 is a defined value. So this is a required answer. Again I will tell. It's okay. Again, see here 0 by 0 once if you get L'Hospital rule apply means differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Apply limit. You are getting again 0 by 0 form. So apply L'Hospital rule means differentiate again. Check limit 0 by 0. So again differentiate, check limit. You are getting defined value. Okay. Second question I will explain. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x minus log of 1 plus x by 1 minus cos x. So first of all we will verify which form it is. So apply limit. If you apply limit means x equals to 0 if you substitute 0 minus log of 1 plus 0 divided by 1 minus cos 0. That equals to 0 minus log 1 plus 0 means 1 minus log 1 by 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So log 1 we know, no, it is 0. Minus 0 means you can write 0 by 0 form. Isn't it? 0 by 0 form. Now after getting 0 by 0 form, once if you confirm, you have to apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule means differentiate. Means that is differentiate numerator comma denominator separately with respect to x. Isn't it? So differentiate now. Okay. If you differentiate, limit x tends to 0. X differentiation is 1 minus log of 1 plus x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x divided by 1 differentiation is 0 minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay. Done. Differentiation is done. Now again you have to verify whether it is 0 by 0 or correct answer. So for that, substitute x equal to 0. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 0 divided by minus plus sin 0. That equals to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 by sin 0 is 0. So again we got 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 again we got means apply L'Hospital rule. So what we will get? Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Okay. 1 differentiation is 0 minus 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. We know already. Minus 1 by curl. 1 by x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square divided by minus plus sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay. Now simplify. Now again apply limit. 1 minus plus 1 by 1 plus 0 whole square divided by cos 0. Now simplify. 1 by 1 plus 0 whole square means 1. By cos 0 is 1. That means you got answer as 1, which is required answer. So the third question is evaluate. This is given. Okay. One formula I will tell here. Whenever you have to find limit value, in that, suppose if you have a sin x either in denominator or numerator, you can eliminate that sin x by using this formula. See, you already studied it. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value is 1. Okay. Now see here, sin x is there. If you have in the numerator x, then x by sin x you can write as a 1. Either sin x by x or x by sin x, both are same. Okay. Now see here, for that sake, I need x in a numerator. So multiply e power x minus e power minus x minus 2x by x square into sin x. You multiply and divide by x only for the formula purpose. Okay. Multiply and divide by x. Now if you observe this one, sin x divided by this value is equal to 1. Okay. So what is the remaining? Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus e power minus x minus 2x by x square into x is left. That means x cube you will get. Now the present question is this. Okay. Now apply limit. You will get, substitute 0, e power 0 minus e power minus 0 minus 2 into 0 by 0 cube. That is equals to e power 0 means 1. 1 minus e power minus 0 is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 2 into, so it is 0 by 0 form. Okay. Now what is once if you confirm 0 by 0 form, you have to apply L'Hospital rule. So if you apply L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0. Okay. Differentiate e power x differentiation e power x minus e power minus x differentiation is minus e power minus x minus 2 into x differentiation is 1 by x cube is 3x square. Okay. Now we have differentiated. Now again you have to confirm whether it is 0 by 0 or defined value. So for that sake, e power 0 minus minus plus e power minus 0 minus 2 by 3 into 0 square. This is equal to e power 0 is 1 plus e power minus 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. That equals to 2 minus 2 becomes 0 by 0 form. Okay. So once if it is confirmed 0 by 0 form, apply L'Hospital rule. You will get limit x tends to 0. Again differentiate e power x. It's already plus is there. E power minus x differentiation is minus. So minus e power minus x minus 2 differentiation is 0 divided by 3 into x square differentiation is 2x. Okay. Differentiated. Now apply again limit e power 0 minus e power minus 0 by 6 into 0. So again it is 0 by 0 form. So again if it is 0 by 0 form, what you will do? Apply L'Hospital rule. That means we will differentiate. Differentiate x tends to 0. E power x is e power x minus e power minus x differentiation minus e power x. Means minus minus becomes plus e power x by 6. 3 to just 6 into x differentiation is 1. Done. Now apply limit e power 0 plus e power minus 0 by 6. That means e power 0 is 1 plus e power minus 0 is also 1 by 6. That means 2 by 6 equals to 1 by 3. We'll see one more question. Evaluate limit. This is a given. As I have already explained, either you have a tan or sine. You can apply this formula. See the formula, limit x tends to 0 only should be. Tan x by x or x by tan x is equal to 1. So for that sake, this tan x is given. No, you need x. Then this value become 1. So for that sake, we'll multiply and divide with the x. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x minus x by x square into tan x into x by x. Okay, now see this, x by tan x becomes equal to 1. So what is the remaining? Limit x tends to 0. Tan x minus x by x square into x is left, x cube. Okay, now apply limit and see whether which form it is. X tends to mean tan 0 minus 0 by 0 cube. Tan 0 is 0. So it is in the form 0 by 0 form. So once if it is confirmed 0 by 0 form, apply L Hospital rule. Apply L Hospital rule. So limit x tends to 0, differentiate. What is the tan x differentiation? Secant square x minus x differentiation is 1 divided by x cube differentiation is 3x square. Okay, once if differentiation is done, you have to apply limit. That means secant square 0 minus 1 by 3 into 0 square. That is equals to secant square 0 is 1 minus 1 by 0. That means 0 by 0 form. Okay, once if it is 0 by 0 form, what is the next step? Apply L Hospital rule. Means you have to differentiate. So differentiate. Limit x tends to 0. Secant square x, if you want to differentiate, it is like x square. What is the x square differentiation? 2x. Secant square x is 2 into secant x. Chain rule you have to apply into. Again secant x you have to differentiate. What is the secant x differentiation? Secant x into tan x. So secant square x is 2 secant x. Again if you differentiate, secant x into tan x minus 1 differentiation is 0 by 3 into x square differentiation is 2x. Done, differentiation is done. Now apply limit. If you apply limit, 2 into secant square, secant x into secant x is secant square x. So secant square 0 into tan 0 by 6 into 0. That is equals to secant square 0 is whatever the value secant square 0 is, we have written 1, you know. But tan 0 is 0, isn't it? So tan 0 is 0 means the whole numerator becomes 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. So once if it is 0 by 0 form, apply L Hospital rule. So what is that? Limit x tends to 0. Differentiate means you have here 2 secant square x into tan x. 2 secant square x into tan x. So u into v formula apply. So u into v formula means 2 into, see here, again if you apply 2 into secant square x into tan x will be there. U into v formula you can apply. Otherwise, one more is, what is the simplification of this equation? Limit x tends to 0, 2 into this 2 you can cancel. Okay, so secant square x into tan x by 3x is there, no? So if you want, instead of u into v, if you want, this again observe this tan x by x, you got it? Yes, tan x by x you got, no? So this value is equal to 1. This value is equal to 1. So what is that? What's the remaining if you apply? Okay, limit x tends to 0. Remaining is secant square x by 3. Now apply the limit. If you apply, you will get secant square 0 by 3. That means 1 by 3 is the required answer. So here 2 methods to remember. One is, I'll put here line. One is apply L Hospital rule. Once if it is 0 by 0 form, apply L Hospital rule. Okay, apply L Hospital rule means limit x tends to 0, to cancel, no problem. Secant square x into tan x, u into v formula apply. Okay, then you will get the same answer. Otherwise, r over r, you can write, directly simplify. 2 you cancel, secant square x into tan x by 3x, you got tan x by x, again it is 1. So okay, again if it is equal to 1, substitute 1. The remaining is secant square x by 3. Apply limit, you will get 1 by 3. Without applying also, you will get, with L Hospital rule also, you will get the same answer. No problem. Okay, just check it once. Thank you.